Today we discuss equivalences involving conditionals. That is, we discuss about two equivalent statements involving conditional connectivity. First one, P conditional Q is equivalent to negation P or Q. We can verify these results by using truth table. Here P conditional Q is false only when the first statement is true and the second statement is false. Here we get P conditional Q. Then negation P or Q is also obtained as same in this truth table. So P conditional Q is equivalent to negation P or Q. Also, P conditional Q is equivalent to negation Q conditional negation P. Here also negation Q conditional negation P is same, having the same truth values true, false, true, true. So these two statements are also equivalent. Then next law is P or Q is equivalent to negation P conditional Q. Okay. Here P conditional Q is equivalent to negation of the first one or Q. Here also negation P conditional Q is negation of the first one or the second one. Okay. These two equivalent statements are P conditional Q is equivalent to negation P or Q and P or Q is equivalent to negation P conditional Q. Fourth one is P and Q. P and Q is equivalent to negation of first one conditional negation Q. Okay. P and Q. Here P and Q is true, false, false, false. And what about P conditional negation Q? False, true, true, true. And the negation of P conditional negation Q, the truth table is same as P and Q. So P and Q is equivalent to negation of P conditional negation Q. Negation of P conditional Q. Negation of P conditional Q is equivalent to the first statement. Here also negation of P conditional negation Q is equivalent to first statement and negation of the second statement. Here also negation of P conditional Q is first statement and negation of the second statement. We can also verify these all results by using truth table. Sixth one is P conditional Q and P conditional R is equivalent to P conditional Q and R. Here the truth table of P, Q, R and P conditional Q, P conditional R. Here in this truth table we have 3 statements, so we have 8 rows. And P conditional Q and P conditional R having the truth table like this. P conditional Q and P conditional R is equivalent to P conditional Q and R. P conditional Q and P conditional R, that is P conditional Q and R. Okay. By the truth table, Q and R, P conditional Q and R, and P conditional Q and P conditional R. Here both these columns are equal truth values. So these statements are equivalent. Okay. Also Seventh one, P conditional R and Q conditional R is equivalent to P or Q conditional R. If we combine first two pairs P, Q, then this AND becomes OR. Okay, P conditional R and Q conditional R is here P or R conditional, P or Q conditional R. But in the eighth statement, P conditional Q or P conditional R. Here we combine the second two statements. Then there is no change in the OR connectivity. P conditional Q or R. Here also we combine the first two statements. Then this connectivity becomes OR connectivity becomes AND. P conditional R or Q conditional R is P and Q conditional R. Okay, remember all these equivalents involving conditionals. Then we studied about equivalences involving biconditionals. All these results we can check by the truth table. P biconditional Q. P biconditional Q is equivalent to P conditional Q and Q conditional P. Also, P biconditional Q is equivalent to negation P biconditional negation Q. Okay, remember P biconditional Q is equivalent to P conditional Q and Q conditional P. Also, P biconditional Q is equivalent to negation P biconditional negation Q. Also, P biconditional Q is equivalent to P and Q or negation P and negation Q. P and Q or negation P and negation Q is equivalent to P biconditional Q. Negation of P biconditional Q is equivalent to P biconditional negation Q. All these equivalence relations, remember that we use in doing our problems. Next we define the term tautological implication. A compound preposition P is said to be tautologically imply a compound preposition Q if and only if P conditional Q is a tautology. That is, a compound preposition P tautologically implies, this is the notation of tautological implication. This is not a connectivity. This is P tautologically imply Q if and only if P conditional Q is a tautology. That is, if the statement P conditional Q is a tautology. Tautology means it has all the truth values are true. P conditional Q is a tautology, then definitely P tautologically implies Q. For example, P conditional Q tautologically imply P conditional P and Q. By truth table, we can find P conditional Q conditional P conditional P and Q is a tautology. Also, in the second example, P or Q and P conditional Q and Q conditional R tautologically implies R. We can also verify by truth table P or Q and P conditional R and P conditional Q conditional R. Conditional R is a tautology. We can also verify this using truth table. So, if a conditional statement is a tautology, then first statement implies the second statement.